Document 6, you have George Washington Williams. Here's what he does. He's a minister, a lawyer, historian. He makes laws. He's writing a letter to basically Stanley Falls, where he's talking to King Leopold II of the Belgians, Belgium, right? And he's talking about the independent state of Congo and what's going on there. He's kind of describing a situation that he witnesses there. And so he says, I have the honor to submit for your majesty's consideration some reflections respecting the independent state of Congo. There were instances in which Mr. Henry M. Stanley, and this guy was a British journalist and explorer, and he was sent by the King of Belgium to go there and sort of see what he could do in terms of colonizing this free state of Congo. And what he said was he sent one white man with 4 or 5 Zanzibar soldiers to make treaties with the native chiefs. So you've got these native chiefs in these villages, and we need to make somehow peace with them and let them know that we're on our, they're on our side and that kind of thing, make treaties. And so he sends a white guy with 4 or 5 soldiers to go make these treaties and become allies with these native chiefs. And he says, all the sleight of hand tricks had been carefully rehearsed, and he was now ready for his work. So sleight of hand tricks, he's talking about they're going to try to trick these native chiefs into believing something. A number of electric batteries had been purchased in London, and when attached to an arm under the coat, communicated with a band of ribbon attached to a ribbon that would pass over the palm of the white brother's hand. So this white man is attaching an electrode to the palm of his hand, and he has batteries hidden under his coat that electrify this electrode that's on the palm of his hand. And when he gave the black brother, one of the native chiefs, when he gave the black brother a cordial grasp of the hand, when he shook his hand, the black brother was surprised to find his white brother so strong that he nearly knocked him off his feet. So the trick was to make the native black chiefs believe that white people were so strong that when just by the shake of their hand, they would get this electric shock and get basically knocked off their feet. And so that was a trick to make it seem as if the white man was superior and strong. By such means as these, and a few boxes of gin, and we throw in some alcohol to get these guys liquored up, whole villages have been signed away to your majesty. All of these native chiefs have fallen into place because they were tricked by giving them alcohol and by these real basic little tricks that these black native chiefs were not sophisticated enough to understand. They thought that there was some kind of magic power by these white guys. So it allowed them to basically gain control of all these native villages by tricking people who were less sophisticated than them.